Welcome back to Billion Boost. In today's tutorial, I will show you a method that will make money for you. So my goal for 2024 is that every Million Moves member makes at least his salary through trading. I know for some of you it might sound not possible because trading seems maybe difficult for you. I understand it. The strategies like with the Million Moves algo or the dot system, even if it's a simple concept, it can be for a beginner overwhelming. And that's why I have a new one, a new method, a new strategy that is amazingly profitable. And you have to follow just the simple steps. And that's it. Just taking this strategy, you can make 8,500 every month. 8,500. On a bad month, you can make 3K additionally. And I know 3K is a lot. I say 80%, okay? Of course, we have members who are already rich or have that money or do that money with trading. But most of the members, the beginners especially, what are we looking for in life, right? We want to earn more money to provide more for our family. And really, with this strategy, you can't go wrong. The only thing you have to do is you have to follow the rules. That's why I make this video. Watch the video, understand the rules, and you will become profitable. Now we are coming to the fun part. Let's get started. First, you need the Range Maniac V2, the newest version on your chart. If you don't have the Million Moves indicators, you go to the website millionmoves.com and click on Get Indicator Access. Here you can select any plan. Then in the checkout, make sure to enter your correct Tradingview username. And after your checkout, you have instant access to the indicators. After you get to your indicator access, you will also receive the invite to our VIP Telegram group where all the Million Moves members can talk about their settings, share profits, and ask questions. We have different channels, and we also have a GU Rocket strategy. And yesterday was the first day with the GU Rocket for our members. This is where it starts. And first TP on GU Rocket, first signal fired, entered, and take profit. It took maybe 5 minutes until we reached our take profit, and that was it for the day. Many messages with great information, screenshots, quick small tutorials, and this is how it goes in our Telegram group. Now let's move on to the strategy. The strategy is simple. We have the Range Maniac on our chart. Make sure to have GBP USD on your chart from Oanda, very important. Oanda has a very good calculation of the charts. So we take GBP USD Oanda, 1 minute chart, and the candles are normal candles, not Heiken-Ashi, normal candles. Then in the Range Maniac settings, you make sure to activate GU Rocket mode. Your chart's appearance will change. This is how it looks. Here exactly when the blue rectangle starts, this is the London session. If you don't know when London session starts, just go to the previous day and look where the line starts. This is your time when London starts. All right, so for me it's here. London starts, and the only thing you need to do with the strategy is to wait for the label GUDN or GU up. We wait, and then we receive a GU up label. And very important, we need to wait for the candle close. After the candle is closed, the signal is confirmed, and the next candle we enter with 5 pips take profit and 8 pips stop loss. Boom, TP hit. That's it for the strategy. We take only one signal after the appearance of the blue rectangle. Only one, not two, just one. Now let's move on to the next day. London open, first signal, candle close. The next candle we take the trade, 8 pips stop loss, 5 pips take profit, boom, TP hit. Now let's move on to the next day, which was yesterday. This was yesterday, no label, London start. Then we had the first label GU up, enter the next candle, 5 pips take profit, boom hit, 8 pips stop loss. That was it for the day. And this is the strategy. So simple. And you always take only the first, okay, not the second, not the third, just the first, and that's it. Now I show you how you can set up alerts with the GU Rocket strategy. Make sure it's on your chart, then do a right click on one of these labels, add alert on Million Moves Range Maniac V2, and here you can select GU Rocket any direction or GU Rocket buy or GU Rocket sell. I want to just get a note about any direction, so I select this one. As trigger, I select once per bar close. For your alert name, you want to take something like GU Rocket, GBP USD. Notifications tab, you can use send email, that's what I use, send email, or show pop-up, play sound. Everything is possible with webhook URL. I show you in the next step. You can connect your alerts with some services like pineconnector, and with that you can send directly your order to MetaTrader. As soon as the label appears and closes, it will fire the trigger and send it to your MetaTrader and open a trade with the correct take profit and the correct stop loss. In this step, I show you how you can send trades from Tradingview directly to your MetaTrader 4 and 5. For this, we need the service from pineconnector.com. You can start a 7-day free trial. It works really well. And when creating the alert, you have to select one for a buy signal and one for the sell signal. And this is the template. This is your license ID of pineconnector. Then we have here buy GBP USD risk 1.25. This is the value from the calculator here. You can type in any lot size you want. SL means stop loss 8. TP means take profit 5. Comment GBP USD. This will appear on the trade in your MetaTrader. Trigger is once per bar close and the buy condition, the second one, buy condition. And under notifications, you activate the webhook URL and enter this URL here, pineconnector.net webhook. You will find this on their documentation page. Then you click on create. That's it. The buy alert is ready. The second one is the sell alert. Click on sell once per bar close and change this buy here to sell and click create again. Now you have two alerts. Start with a small lot size to test if it really works. And that's it, how you set it up with pineconnector. How you can set up pineconnector on your MetaTrader, everything is documented here. EA setup, MetaTrader 4, step by step. You can see everything on their website. I'm not affiliated with them, it's just a great service. One more information for you. If the alert was triggered and sent to your MetaTrader, make sure to pause your alert, otherwise it will open a trade again on the second signal. So activate your alerts before London opens, and if you have already one trade, pause your alerts. Now I show you how you can get this free risk management tool for MetaTrader 5 and 4. I have here MetaTrader 5. To get this tool, you look on the left navigator, it says market, right click, buy from the market. If you don't see the navigator tab, you have to click here at the top, view navigator. Okay, right click on market, buy from the market. What you want to search is your page will look like this, and here is a search bar, and you type in trades management. We need this one. Click on it, it's for free, install it, and then you will see it here on the left. It says expert advisors, market, and then trades management. Go to your chart. Now, before you start with this tool, you need to do some settings. Here at the top, under tools, click on options, and in the Expert Advisor tab, you click on Allow Algorithmic Trading and Allow DLL Imports. Okay. The next step is here is a button. This needs to be green. If it's green, the blue hat here on the right side will be blue. If it's off, it's gray. We need it blue. Click on it, it becomes blue, everything is okay. Now the next step is to add it to your chart. Hold the left click, move it to your chart and release the click. These are the settings. Stop loss is in our case 8 pips, take profit 5 pips, trailing stop 0, And that's it. Make sure you have this checked. Allow algo trading. Okay, now we are ready to go. If we have a sell signal, you click on sell. If we have a buy signal, you click on buy. The balance is here. It's 1% of your balance. So if you change it to 2, it will automatically select the right volume. And if you click on sell, it will open with 2.48. This is a great tool. The volume is depending on the stop loss size. So if you have a larger stop loss, the volume become lower. So we want the 8 pips and 5 pips take profit. Our volume, in my case, is 1.24. This might be something different for you. And if you want to close the trades, you click on close all trades. That's it. If you click on buy or sell, it will open the trade with your stop loss and the take profit. That way you save a lot of time and you can directly enter your trade. That's it for the GU rocket strategy. I hope everyone becomes profitable now. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and see you soon.